Tears, prayers, choirs, and fiery speeches. It was history in the making as T.H. Muivah, the General Secretary of the National Socialist Council of Nagalim. The largest Naga insurgent outfit was flown in a helicopter from Camp Hebron in Nagaland to Somdal, his ancestral village in Manipur, and onward to Senapati, where he addressed thousands of Nagas gathered to listen to their tall leader. It was indeed an emotional moment for the Naga community. The historic visit was facilitated by the central government as well as the state government of Nagaland. With Manipur being under governor's rule, the visit gains much more significance. Muivah is a Z+ category security protectorate. His security detail includes an ambulance, CRPF personnel, and the close proximate security was provided by the Naga army. Muivah's visit has hit the right chord. It has come at a time when the centre has been looking for a lasting solution to the decades-long insurgency. On October 27th, in Somdal, his ancestral village, Muivah lit the pine torch. The ceremony was conducted at the helipad where he landed, a raised church ground where it is believed that miles away, Muivah had once visited in 1973, all in disguise to attend a church ceremony. His wife attended the main function held at the helipad where thousands of Nagas gathered to light the pine torch. The centuries-old tradition is aimed at dispelling darkness and bringing light. As Nagas in Manipur stand united behind Muivah, the challenge remains for the outfit to live up to the expectations of the people and unite not just the Nagas but also peacefully coexist with the other communities that have lived through a strife in Manipur in the last 2 years. It may well be a litmus test for the outfit at this juncture. Will Muivah's visit stir the hornet's nest? Or will it create a lasting solution to the decades-long insurgency? Remains to be seen in the coming days and months. The week-long peaceful visit of Muivah to Manipur may well be an achievement for the central government. But whether his reiteration of the demand for Greater Nagalim will stir the hornet's nest, or will it give a fresh lease of life to the peace talks that have been left pending with the central government, remains to be seen in the coming days and months. This is Namrata Biji Ahuja with Salil Bera in Senapati.